Alright guys, this is pretty cool. I've been loading some shorts with my phone. I'm not getting the best coverage out here, but yeah, it's nice and thick here. I'm not in four-wheel drive. I'm just in two-wheel. JC's behind us. We're going to Xbow Park. So I've never, but look at this. This is cool. This is perfect. Look, people are getting stuck because they suck. So we have to be careful here. I don't know what's going on with these guys. Huh. He's got his car here. Looks like we're gonna have to help this guy out. I've got shovels for him, but I don't know. See, that's what happens if you have a two-wheel drive car. Not good. Probably stuck there with his old lady. We'll have to four-wheel drive by him. Yep. Oh man, looks like he got a little bumper too. A little bumpy bump. Alright, well I'm gonna break this video real quick and see if maybe we can help this guy out a teeny bit. So stay tuned guys. Oh yeah. Let me see you back up. Go ahead. Back up. Let me see you back up. Let me see that. No, let's see you back up. Let me see that. That ain't backing up. Okay. You ain't backing up, dude. Oh wow, I guess, sorry guys, I left that recording.